Hey cuties! Today we're going to draw this house. If you want to draw with me, you'll need a sheet of paper and some colored pencils. Okay, let's start. First we'll draw a large rectangle. That's our base. And we'll build it into a house piece by piece. We draw a long horizontal line. At the left end of this line, we begin to draw another vertical line. Then we do the same on the right side. We close the rectangle with a slightly extended horizontal line. Next we'll paint the roof. I'll paint a dot in the middle above my rectangle. That will be the top of my roof. I'll paint another dot to the left of my rectangle. And I'll paint a third dot to the right of the rectangle. Then I connect all 3 points with 2 diagonal lines. Now we'll make the roof a little thicker. It's best if you watch me draw for a moment and then copy everything onto your sheet of paper. And when you're done we can continue. Now we draw the wall of the house up to the roof. We do this on both sides. We place a round window under the top of the roof. We draw a large circle. Inside this, we draw a smaller circle. Then we draw a cross in the middle of the small circle. Next let's draw a door with stairs. First draw a short horizontal line in a large rectangle. At each end of the line, draw a long vertical line. Now the door frame is complete. And now we continue with the stairs. Each step is a little longer than the one before it. The top step is the shortest and the bottom step is the longest. I paint lots of narrow steps. But if you want you can paint fewer and slightly wider steps. When you're done we'll decorate the door. First we'll paint a thick frame. And then draw a small doorknob. Next to the door we draw 2 windows. One of them is to the left of the door. The other is to the right of it. Both windows should be at about the same height. And they should also be the same size. Now we draw a thick frame around each window. The house already looks quite nice. I'm really happy with my drawing. I hope you like your house just as much. Finally we'll draw a few small trees. These are very simple. We'll draw a thin trunk and connect it with a large round arc. As you can see I'll first draw a tree to the left of the stairs, and then one to the right. And after that I'll draw another tree to the left, and also one to the right. Now our house is finished and you can color it in. If you like, you can also watch me color in my picture. However, this part of the video is faster. Nevertheless, you can see how I colored my picture piece by piece. Did you notice what I forgot to color in my picture? Compare the small picture in the upper left corner with my large picture. Something is missing. Do you know what it is? That's right, the chimney is missing. Of course, we'll draw the chimney now too. Do you like the colors I used? And are you painting your house with the same colors? Or are you using completely different colors for your own house? There are so many possibilities when it comes to painting. You can choose light colors, or paint the house with very dark colors. Have you ever tried painting the same motif with different colors? And can you still remember what you thought when you compared the two pictures? I hope you enjoyed my video. Maybe you picked up a few nice ideas that you can use for yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Bye for now, and see you soon.